observation will be tracing, O God. Lord, we give us wisdom and knowledge, O God. We also pray, O God, that this observation will be accomplished, O God. Let our nervousness come into excitement, O God. Lord, we pray, O God, that Loyola, I'm glad to say that there is no absent in our
Very good. Quadrant 2. Okay, good. Quadrant 3. Quadrant 3.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Loyola. I'm glad to say that there's no absent in our family.
Okay, very good. And quadrant 4? Oh, who's going to
Good afternoon, Ma'am Loyola. I'm glad to say that there's no absence.
So very good. A round of applause for everyone.
Yesterday,
Can you please come in front? So you're in charge, quadrant 3? Yes. Okay.
yesterday we have tackled lesson, which is data that
Yesterday, we didn't have our class yesterday.
in the last lesson we have discussed about lesson, which is a data that is divided into 10 equal parts. Its formula is k lesson equals k quantity of n plus 1 over 10.
Again? Is that correct? Is there, can you please repeat that for the class?
The formula for lesson is k quantity of n plus 1 over 10.
Is that the formula for decile? What is that? That is for? Decile score. Very good. Okay. So anyone, Garcia is not actually attending our class, right? Because he is practicing for, I'm sorry, Bakiyan. Okay. Because he is practicing for restoration. So someone who is really present during group data. Group data. Quadrant 3. What is the formula? No, not the quartile score. The decile, sorry, the decile rather. The decile for group data. How to get that? That is for group or ungroup? Ungroup data. How about for group data? Yes, Caballero. Wait, paano tayo natin kita? Okay, yes, okay. Again? Quartile score minus. Very good. Frequency of what? Of the quartile or decile? Decile. Okay, decile class. Interval. Very good. Can you please write it on the board? And the 2 days that Ma'am Loyola is not around because of the seminary elections. Offer elections. SLK. What is missing here? What is the formula? What is the formula for decile score? What is the formula for decile score? Yeah, very good. A-N, good. Okay. What is missing here? Equals, good. All over, very good. Okay, should it be part of the bracket, this one? Yes. No. Then therefore you have to make this deeper. Okay. Oh, yeah. What is frequency? Okay, frequency of the decile group. Frequency of the decile group. Decile class. Okay. Very good. Okay, how about the other bracket? What else? Decile. Okay, so we're talking about decile. What does it mean by decile? yes, process. Don't be afraid. Come on. Yes? Then it's that decile. What does it mean by decile? Okay, you are looking for 9. Then what? We're on your alcohol. 9 what? 9 scores that will divide. Can you please stand up, Manolo? Go on, stand up. Wait, could be afraid. Ano nangyayari sa inyo? What is happening? Come on, Manolo. 9 scores that will what? That will divide the data into 10. Very good. So again, what does it mean by decile? In ASBO, these are the divide the data. Then what? Then what? 10 parts. Okay, very good. A round of applause for class. Alright, some of the pictures that you will see in my PowerPoint and other contexts here are not mine. Okay, so you will see some links below the pictures to telling you where it came from, or the link where you can get the picture. For the context, I use parenthetical in-text citation, so which later on you will see in my PowerPoint. So that is just for a disclaimer. Why do I have to do that? Oh, you're studying research now, right? So why do we have to do that? Don't be afraid to speak. Yes, Julia. And why do we have to acknowledge them? It's not ours, very good. So, to give credit, diba? We have to give credit to whom it is due. Very good. Thank you. And of course, ano pa yung ina-avoid natin? Yes. Very good. And what's plagiarism? Okay, very good. So again, remember that whenever you use, okay, any material, any intellectual property of others, please, you acknowledge them. If it is a picture from internet, I give the you add the link. If it is from a text, you mention the author and the time, or the year they are written. Okay, so avoid plagiarism. Now, yesterday, some wanted to be a doctor, kabaliero. Some wanted to be a nurse. Some wanted to be teachers. Now, today, what I'm going to do is to make a little survey, or a survey of what you have in order for you to make those dreams come true, or what you have that you can use to make those dreams come true. Now, let's have the privilege exercise. I will be posting here, or presenting here statements. So from each quadrant, I want volunteers to read each statement. After reading each statement, I want you to stand up with my signal. Take note of my signal. You stand up when you see the signal if the statement applies to you. If the statement does not apply to you, remain seated. Okay? And then, after that, when you see my hand like this, it means to say you have to take your seat. And then when you see my hand like this, we will proceed with the next reader. Is that okay? Is the instruction clear? Yes. And I also want you to make a tally of the number of times that you're going to study. Okay? Ready your notebook. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so let's start.
You have a place to live.
Okay. You have a place to live. If it applies to you, you stand up. If it does not, remain seated. Okay. Quadrant 2. Okay. Becero wants to read.
Establish the statement applies to
Sorry. Okay, yes.
You have cell phone that you can use in your studies.
You have cell phone that you can use in your studies. Oh. Does it apply to... I understand that. Okay, see. Sorry, I keep on pressing that button.
You have a Wi-Fi at home.
You have a Wi-Fi at home. You have a private tube. Quadrant 1? Who wants to volunteer from quadrant 1? Rosette?
You do not have to worry about joining in school.
Make it loud for everyone.
You do not have to worry about joining any school activities that require a registration fee and gold money.
Okay. So, none of you. Okay, let's have number 6.
You do not have to worry if you will have food on the table.
Number 7.
You never have to.
Can other member of your group do the reading? Because we have lots of members there, right? Again, as a leader, always designate and give your members tasks. Okay, thank you for that.
You never have to help your parents or guardian with the bills.
Okay.
You can choose any course you want to work academy.
Can you understand that? Yeah. Again, you raise your hand whenever you have question. Okay, quadrant 1.
Number 9. Both of your parents are still living.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts about our activity. Now, can I see the hands, or can I see the students who has 1 to 2 of these privileges, or who has or who stand twice in this activity? Is there anyone? Who only stand twice, or whose statements, only 2 statements applies to them? Okay, we have 1. Okay, how about 3 to 4? Thank you, Dee. How about 3 to 4? Where will I put 1 here? What is this? Yes, can you stand? Yes, Casero? Distribution? Frequency, distribution, table. So where will I put that one? And FA are the column of frequency. Very good. How about 3 to 4? Who has 3 to 4? We have here, then we have 13 here. How about 7 to 8? 7 to 8. Claro. Okay, Clara, can you please stand and help me count? Well, that's the same Makanto. Okay. How about 9 to 10? Stand please so that you will be recognized. Only balloon. How many are we today? still not, again, can I see the number of students present? 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9, 12. How can you please standing? Can you please make it higher? Raise your hand higher. Alright, go. 40. Okay, thank you for the correction. So this is 48. So, as we can see, we don't have the same privileges in life, right? And those who has those privileges, according to research, has greater chance of succeeding in life. Bakit? Why? Other hands naman. Why they have greater chance of succeeding in life? Other hands. Come on. Why those who have those privileges has greater chance of succeeding? Yes, William. Because you have the... Okay, so that is those privileges is your advantage, right? It's your advantage towards your dreams. You don't have to work. You can focus with your studies if you have money. Right? If you don't have to worry about the food on the table, the bills, you have Wi-Fi, you have cell phone. Now, you might ask for number 10. Going up to the positive biological father, why is it part of our activity? Because according to this research, kindly read. Other hands naman, you are just going to read. Cesar, can you please stand? By P and 20. Okay, so that is an example of what kind of citation if you are studying research. In English, what kind of citation is this? Naka-ano yan? Naka-open and close, we call that parenthetical. Have you studied that in your English? Not yet. So that is parenthetical index citation. Okay? So what is inside your parenthetical index citation? Gymnastics. Okay, so they have a greater chance of succeeding in life because of their father, because the presence of their father. What? Ano ba nila? Ano ginawa sa kanila? Motivates them and ano na-develop sa kanila? It develops their psychosocial. Very good. It develops their psychosocial. Which are, ano ba yung mga psychosocial? Okay, those are the things na ano? Those are the things that an individual person must have in order to succeed. Okay? Now, this is a survey because actually, I'm planning to make a research about privilege and success. Now, how am I going to do that research? So I will use the statistics I gathered. It says here that 85% of people achieve success in life. Ilan ka ulit kayo dito? 20. So, let's look at you as my subject. If you are my subject, and it says here that 85% achieve success in life, how many of you will succeed in life? It's lucky yan. What will you do? How can we find that 85%? How many? For those who have answered, you're not computing. How will you compute for 85%? What will you do? Divide by 100 times diagrams the data? 85, very good. You do it. Come on. Again, how to compute for that 85%? What will you do? Again, you raise your hand if you want to answer. Other hand. Molina. What to do? You don't want to answer? You don't know what to do? You don't know what to do? How to get the percentage? Of a number? Oh, Molina? How? Wala na? Oh. Other hand. Ayoko na percent. 29 times 0.85. Okay. 29 times 0.85. Come on, compute for it. Everybody must be computing. Sorry. I will give you
Okay? Tapos you count how many bags you have, how many samples you have.
Okay, oh, what is your answer?
54.65.
Yes, Lee! You're raising your hand. Lee, what is your answer? Nalopia po kay Baklian. Thank you, Baklian. That's good job. You have to help your same page. Yes. 64 point? Ano kung mali yung nakopya? Baklian, you have same page. Yes. 24.65. Very good. But what is the problem here? 24.65. Do we have a 65 person? 0.65 person? No. So therefore, round up. So how many? 25. Very good. So according to research, 85 of you, 25 of you will succeed, and how many will not succeed? 4. Now, will you agree with that? No. Why? Anong gagawin nyo? What will you do? Anong gagawin nyo? What will you do? Yes? Ano ang Pilipino? Magsisikap. You will strive and study harder. Very good. So you strive, study harder. Don't let those things that you don't have tell you or dictate your future. Okay? Do something. Now, let's continue. You mentioned that there are 25. There will be 25 who will... But, can you see what is written on the board? Let us see if Colombia is correct. Yes. Yes, formula. What's the only difference? What is the only difference here? 100. Why should it be divided to 100? Because that is percentile. And what does it mean by percentile? Percentage. 100 percentile. We're not talking about percentage, but the percentile. Sabi ko a while ago, decile, you are looking for 9 score, dividing the data into 10. How about percentile? 99. Yes, You can go to the board and show us how to compute it. Okay, so let's have 3. Okay. Okay, go to the board. Hello, you want? Ah, very good. Thank you for that. We still have empty space here. Okay, who wants to volunteer? No, I will be the one to call it. Okay, then so, can you stop that first? Can you go here? Okay. Kaya mo yan. Come here. Okay, we will do the cumulative frequency. You write 1. Then the number here is 14. 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1. 14. Oh, plus 1. Sorry. Wala ako na kamay. Can I have your hand? Oh, 14. 14. Oh, yan. Oh, 14. Plus 1. Give another hand. Another finger. Oh, how many is that? Oh. Sige, ganyan.
How many?
Bilang mo, you count it. Oh, ulit. Dahan-dahan. Hey. Ah, sorry. Thank you for that.
6.
Ah, mabilis. Okay. Okay, thank you for that. Okay. Where should we start? Sa taas. Bakit sa taas? Kasi we have less than cumulative frequency. O sige, Denso, babalikan natin. Kasi ano tayo? O, 1. Dito tayo magsisimula. 1 plus 0. 1. Dagdagan mo ng wala. Ilan? Isa. Very good. O, write it. Good. Dito. Yan. O, 1 plus 13. Very good! Ano mo po? 14. Okay. After na yan. Very good. Good job. Here. Yan. Good job. Oh, you can